Namaste and welcome. Stock learning video on Apollo Tyres. In the automotive tires and tubes segment of the four major players listed here, MRF and Apollo Tyres are the leading entities with sizable turnover, good NP percentage and capitalization. As is evident, MRF leads in all aspects, whereas Apollo Tyres is a distant second in terms of capitalization as well as NP, and that prompts us to get into its details to explore its growth potential. Let us take this chart which talks of movement starting from 1st November 2019 in respect of four scripts: Apollo Tyres, Nifty, MRF and CEAT. As you will observe, CEAT is the one which has shown a growth of 11%. MRF has grown by 3.59%. Yield from Nifty is minus 1.85, and of all, Apollo Tyres during the period of 1 year has given a negative yield of 26.06%. That prompts us to get into its greater details. As of 30th September 20, we observe a 1% increase as compared to 31st March in respect of promoter holding. There is an offloading of 4.5% of company's capital by FIIs, financial institutions and mutual funds, which is picked up about 1% by promoters and 3.5% by domestic institutional investors and the general public, and increase in the promoters holding by 1% during the first two quarters is a positive. As far as promoter encumbrances, about 5.8% of the shares of the company are pledged, but it is a insignificant amount as to influence the market price. You have one high which was achieved by the company during October, and the subsequent high is during January, February. And when we take 12 months data, we will be starting from November. Therefore, whatever high we are talking of 52-week will be really lower than the real high of the company. And worth noting that the fall between October and January was a company specific fall, and the fall from January onwards was industry wide fall which was pertaining to pandemic. A chart of positivity showing the beginning of a good season of price movement. We are taking exponential moving average 20 days and also volume. You will observe here price crosses over the 20 days moving average with sizable volume. It remains for most part of this period above the 20 EMA, which is a very positive sign. And as you will observe here, as and when the price has moved up, there is a substantial increase in the volume, means there is a volume support to the price going up, which is evident at various levels. This is a point of confluence or a golden cross for the simple reason price is moving above 20 days EMA, price is moving above 50 EMA, and 20 EMA is crossing over 50 EMA, means it is a point of reinforcement of the trend and making it more stronger. And from this point you will also observe the 50 EMA is below the 20 EMA throughout the journey, means the upward trend is maintained by both the price and the 20 EMA with the support of the 50 EMA in the background. This is only to show that the trend is getting more and more stronger with further crossover of price 20 EMA and 50 EMA above the 100 EMA, which gives further support to the upward movement of the price. October further lends strength to the price movement, and it is during October that the price 20 EMA and 50 EMA are crossing over 200 EMA line very firmly, and we will also observe that the angle of the 100 EMA is also pointing upwards of a joining point, maybe a little forward from here. The trend has given further strength to the trajectory of growth. The chart on Bollinger Band is to depict how the candles are stacked on one side of the midline. As you will observe, right from the beginning of the trend till here, if we take a count of the candles that have appeared, over 90% of the candles are above the midline, confirming that the trend is one way, that is upwards. The chart is a depiction to reconfirm that the trajectory is reliable, and it is proven by a standard channel which is drawn by joining the top points and the bottom points. As we will observe, the trajectory of the channel is roughly about 20 degrees, and that is a good sign of the price moving up. As a part of our study, we take up the data and analyze the average price movement, quantity movement, delivery percentage, and quantity per trade. Have a look at the average price. Average price has moved above the positive line. It was 130.9. If we take it for different averages, it has moved up, and the price is around 140.2. Although there are higher prices in between, we could take it as positive. Second, we are talking of the quantity traded. Quantity traded was 7.8 million for 55 days average, whereas for the 8 days it is 10 million. 5, 3, 2, 1, it suggests a falling quantity. We make the observation and keep it as noted. Then go to the delivery percent. 18.8% of sold quantity was getting delivered on an average of 55 days. Whereas as you come to short level, the percentage is coming down. A lower percentage always suggests not investment, but a tinge of speculation involved. And coming to average size of the quantity, to have a feel of the size of the players, 202 per order was the average quantity for 55 days. Whereas when you come for lower averages and closer averages, the average is going up. It was 202, 214, 202. 3 and 2 is 194, 184, 220. On an average, it has remained around 210. Means it talks of big players. It is a mixed bowl. Option chain data for the first 2 days of the current month. Call and put build up around 155, followed by 150 for an ATM of 140. And the option chain pain point for both calls and puts together is hovering between 140 and 142.5. Just an indication that it is on the plus side of the ATM. For a total retracement value from the 52-week high of 195 to 52-week low of 73, we have an amount of 124, out of which By moving the price up to 140 from 73, we have covered an amount of 67, which is a Fibonacci of 53.9% as of now. And to reach the ultimate 52-week high of 195 from the current level of 140, we have a potential of 57, which over 140 works out to 41%. If we have a look at it at 140, our Fibonacci is 53.9, and as we will observe in the channel, the price had reached 61.8% at one point in time, then it slid down, and going by that, the possibility of breaching 61.8 at 149 is quite closer and reachable, which is 10 rupees higher from the current level. And if you have a look at the channel formation, the next level of resistance will be at 78.6, which is 170, and channel supports that value, although we have got the topmost value of 197. But on the whole, it looks very, very positive. The fundamentals of the company need to be reinforced in the background of September quarter results. Moving averages have been quite favorable. Channel formation is upward and with a sound trajectory. Order sizes, delivery percentages, prices are quite positive. Option chain for the first 2 days suggests movement on the positive side. Fibonacci possible to breach 61.8% in the very near future. The question mark is on how fast the company will pick up speed and register a firm turnaround and catch up with the other big players of the market. Disclaimer: all the foregoing video is commentary for purposes of information, education and awareness only. I, the author, have used my best efforts to produce the video, but I do not make any representation or warranties with respect to the accuracy, applicability or completeness of the contents of the video. All statements and expressions made herein are not meant to be a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell or hold securities. You are advised to always do your own due diligence to form your own opinions and best judgments, and wherever applicable, seek the advice of a competent professional before taking action of any kind. You agree that use of this information is at your own risk and hold us harmless from any and all losses, liabilities, injuries or damages resulting from any and all claims. The videos are copyright of the author with all rights reserved. No part of this may be copied or used under any circumstances without express advance written permission of the author. By accessing and or viewing this video, you unconditionally and without limitation accept this disclaimer. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.